Hello viewers and my dear students. This is Dr. Gyanendra Fuljalke. Friends, under constitutional law first, today we are going to discuss Article 19 of Indian Constitution, which describes freedom of speech and expression. Article 19 of Indian Constitution provides 6 golden freedoms, and these golden freedoms are very important for individual perspective. And first, Article 19(1)(a), that is the freedom of speech and expression, is very important freedom to all Indian citizens. Under this freedom, friends, Indian citizens can speak anything and express themselves through various modes of expression. So, first, speech anything means whatever they want to speak, they are allowed to speak. And the expression means writing, reading, dancing, painting. These are the modes of expression which are also allowed. And friends, particularly this freedom is subject to reasonable restrictions on the basis of sovereignty, unity and integrity of the nation. Defamation means you cannot speak anything, okay, which constitutes defamation. If it is a true thing, then you can speak, but whenever untruth is spoken, then, or if expression is expressed which is offending in nature, then such freedom of religion is not available. Okay, friends, so this is the concept of freedom of speech and expression guaranteed under Article 19(1)(a) of Indian Constitution. Okay, friends, we will discuss this freedom with various landmark judgments of Supreme Court. In Bijoy Emanuel versus Union of India's case, Supreme Court of India held that it is a freedom of speech and expression. A person may not sing a national anthem, but if he obey the national anthem by standing quite calm, then it is also a kind of respect which is shown. And freedom of speech and expression include freedom not to speak also. This is very important landmark judgment of Supreme Court of India, friends, whereby freedom of speech and expression was included with not to speak anything. Okay, so this freedom of religion is very important for all Indian citizens. Thank you, friends, for your patience listening.